Hi there, this is Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. We are a licensed and bonded legal document preparation service specializing in the divorce process. So if you're looking to have your divorce forms professionally prepared, please give us a call or visit one of our local area websites for more information on how our service works. As you can see on your screen, we have several local area websites. Regardless of where you live, we can service you. We are a virtual legal document preparation service. It means you will never have to come into an office or step into a courtroom in most cases. I had to give a little disclosure there. But we do help prepare uncontested divorces and those that are representing themselves in divorce. Now we are preparing several videos on how to prepare divorce forms. So if you're going through this process on your own and you're looking for help on how to prepare the forms, make sure to look at our video page on our website. There's a link below to our website so you can get help on completing the forms. But if you want someone to professionally do it, again, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Now, today in this video, we're going to talk about the summary divorce. A summary divorce can be used in certain circumstances, and I want to direct you on how you can use our website to get that information about summary divorces, and then we're going to talk a bit about what are some of the qualifications for a summary divorce. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to our Divorce 661 website or any of our divorce 818, Divorce 626, wherever you're at. You can go to any of our sites and you'll find our websites are set up identical regardless of where you're at. So here's our Divorce 661 website, and the first thing you're going to do is click on the Legal Resources tab. Legal Resources tab will take you to a host of information that basically covers anything you would ever want to know about the divorce process and links to outside court resources so you can learn about the divorce process. So what you're going to do is page down because we're looking at talking about summary divorce. So here's summary dissolution. Here's the link. We're going to click on this link, summary dissolution. It's going to take us to the California court's website, and it's going to talk about the summary divorce process and what it takes to qualify for such. Now, let's click on for married couples, and let's go down and see what it says. Here you go. Do you qualify for a summary dissolution? Okay, so let's get into a bit of the meat and potatoes of what it takes to qualify for a summary dissolution. Summary dissolution, it says you and your spouse have been married for less than 5 years. So you have to be married for less than 5 years. Now, this is from the date you got married to the date you separated. So you could have been legally, technically married for 10 years, but if you separated 5 years ago, either you moved out of the house or whatever the case may be, that's still considered a 5-year marriage. It goes to the date of separation, not to the date, today's date, even if you have been separated for several months or years. You can't have any children together. You can't have any land or property. You can't rent any land or buildings. You do not owe more than $6,000 in debts acquired since the date you got married. Okay, community obligations. Here's some things to eliminate. Do not count car loans. So if you have a car loan, obviously it's going to potentially put you over the $6,000 right away. So don't count your car loans. There's some worksheets here, and again, you can click right on these links, and they'll take you right to this information. Here's a sample with instructions for worksheets. So if you have less than $38,000 worth of property acquired during the marriage, okay, so two figures here, not more than $6,000 in debt, and have less than $38,000 worth of property. Do not have separate property worth more than $38,000. Again, don't include your cars. Okay. You have to agree that neither spouse will ever get spousal support, and you'll have to enter into a signed agreement that divides your property and debts together. Now, the benefits to doing a summary divorce is that it's simple. It's more simple. Nothing about the legal process is simple, but what it does is it combines. In a normal divorce process, you have a summons and a petition, and then you have a response, and it's treated separately. With the summary divorce or summary dissolution, it's a joint form, which in one filing, it's the summons, petition, and response. It takes care of both parties in one filing. It's basically done together on one form. It's a quicker process. There's less disclosure, and there's only one filing fee. You won't have to pay that second filing fee during the summary divorce process. So I hope that this has been a beneficial video for you, and you learned something about the summary divorce process. We do provide summary divorce as a service through our legal document preparation firm. When you call us, if you do qualify for summary divorce based on what you've learned in this video and referring back to the court website to take a look at what the qualifications are, give us a call and make sure to let us know, that you meet the qualifications for summary divorce, because we certainly don't want to put you through the regular divorce process if you qualify for the summary divorce. Again, this is Tim Blankenship, owner of Legal Doc Assist. We serve all of Los Angeles County and prepare divorce documents professionally. If you have more questions, feel free to watch the videos. We have a ton of videos, how-to videos to prepare all the divorce documents, or give us a call or read our website for more information. Thanks so much.